In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zendesk account. Whether you're setting up your first account or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful setup. We'll cover everything you need to get started with Zendesk, a robust customer support platform, and kick off your journey toward better customer service management. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head to the Zendesk register page. You can find this by visiting their sign-up URL. Typically, it's https://www.zendesk.com/register. This is where you'll begin your account setup. Having direct access saves time and ensures you're starting off on the right path. Once you're there, you'll see a form that's straightforward yet crucial, as it sets the foundation for your account. You'll start by entering your work email address. This email will serve as your primary point of contact and login credential, so make sure it's an address you use frequently and have easy access to. After entering your email, you'll also need to create a password. When choosing your password, opt for something that's secure yet memorable. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols is recommended to enhance security. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and click Next to proceed further. Now, it's time to add some personal information. You'll need to input your first and last name. This personal detail is vital, as it's often how you'll be identified within the Zendesk system and by other users or clients who interact with you there. Following that, you'll enter the name of your company along with its size. Be as accurate as possible here, because this information helps Zendesk tailor your experience a bit more specifically to your business needs. Following the company details, you will provide your phone number. This step is important because having a valid phone number can add an extra layer of verification and security for your account. Next, it's important to carefully read through and accept the terms of service and privacy notice. Taking a moment to go through these documents is a great idea since they outline how your data will be used and protected, and understanding these terms can save you from potential issues later on. Now, you'll want to choose a unique subdomain for your account. This essentially becomes the URL where you and your team will access your Zendesk dashboard. It might look something like yourcompany.zendesk.com. Pick a subdomain that matches your company name or a variation thereof that's easy for your team to remember. Finally, make sure all the information you've entered is accurate and to your satisfaction. After you've double-checked everything and everything looks good to you, click to finalize your registration. You should now have access to your new Zendesk account, ready to explore its features and start managing your customer support more efficiently. Congratulations on setting up your account. Now you're all set to take your customer service operations to the next level with Zendesk.